1,000 horsepower motor. It's a fat ass power charger. Holy shit.
It has a stroker motor, so it's a 416.
416.
6.7 liter.
Fuck yeah.
Like, I saw you go off and I was like, I know he's boosted. How much PSI are you running?
Just 11.
Oh. You can get more than that.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
You wouldn't hook, though.
No, I don't even hook now. I didn't
Damn.
even hook when it was NA.
Yeah.
Seems about right.
C6 in college.
So, like, I do race this thing, too. It's we run it all over the U.S.
Hell yeah.
And got my own company, and we shoot this thing everywhere.
Oh yeah.
So,
fuck yeah. And if y'all want to, go ahead, drop a follow for the Instagram, Snap, and TikTok. That shit don't sound normal. Y'all see. Is that? Nah. What good, YouTube? So, wasn't really planning on recording today, but we gonna see how much we could get till my phone maxes out. Y'all should know where we at. If not, give it a minute. Like I said, if you don't, definitely should know now. What the fuck? Yo, who's pissing shit? It's slick right there, but I almost bust my ass on camera. Hey, y'all hush. I swear I just saw him. Yeah, where the fuck is he at? The fuck is up with all these fucking insects, bro? That is nice. What? Y'all see what kind of day it's about to be. We gonna enjoy it. Bro, dead ass, I kid you not. We all know who that is. Trent's in front of him, but that's fucking, damn. That's Laz. Yo. Bro, let me get in. You see who the fuck this is, bro? Hey, this is fuck yeah. I'm gonna have to. He got a fucking zip. Oh, bro, you got a G. Yes.
You let me drive it, right? I let you drive my car.
There's some things I gotta fix first.
Okay.
Can I shift it?
Yeah.
Fix the shit, then I get to.
First.
Oh, fucking, that's sick as shit.
And then you gotta push down for reverse.
You wanna know what's funny though? Ooh. I'm used to driving fucking
that's nice.
Nissans, like this era shit, because I had a 350Z.
Nice.
Yeah.
But my boy here, so instead of walking through the meet, we're about to do a little drive through.
Yeah, it is indeed. It is indeed. Gosh, I'm following Trent. There's probably about part back here. Is this part? Okay, I doubt it. Alright, brand new. You're lying. There's no spot. I told you. Shit feels up fast, my boy. Watch out for your cars. Every down. That's why I was thinking. Oh, yeah,
I was like, go park back there. There's a spot right there if they don't grab it. Hi, puppy.
I might shoot some. She might sniff.
Huh?
She won't until you go away, like walk away from her, and then she's like,
Very skittish.
Very well.
I didn't even think about me. She likes
Adorable.
girls. She has trouble with guys.
Makes sense.
We got her. Took her like 3 weeks to even get used to me, and I live in the house. You know what I mean? I live there.
It be like that. Well, we gonna give y'all a little walk around while we on the hood.
clean as you want. No, more product ass. You? Love the WIs. Being like, ooh, deep. Who's is that? Probably good dude. Where my boy at? I see his car, but I don't see him. I haven't seen him yet. But y'all know we got Tyler parked over there. Ooh, shit. Uh-oh. We got clean as 01 right over there. I'm gonna have to mute this starting now. Got Camaro, got audio back, proper walk around. Camaro, GT, fucking love that. Y'all already know we got an RS7, got Evo, got Snappies. Oh shit, what's up, Eli? Oh yeah, another Z, Civics. Correction. Is this recording upside down? It is. Very well, I'll flip it. Yeah. we doing now? Yeah, no. Where your YouTube channel go, bro? You stop. I don't know. Yeah, no, that's not an option. I want one, but my people don't trust me on bike. Instagram. Swing back around. Got another Z. Hammer. Ooh. That shit is nice as fuck. Mirror. Mirror. Mustang. Z. That's it. Back to the Waffle House. I don't know where Eli. Somewhere around here. I don't know where, but somewhere. Ooh. That's where the bikes are. Nice. Got it. That's right over here as well. Okay. I need to get away before I make bad decisions. Don't let me order a bike. Because if I do, we don't know how long we're going to have the YouTube channel for. I love the GTR. Oh, ask me about it. BMW. BRZ. Oh, BRZ6. Another. Yo, goddamn. Box of Evans. Is that RTR badge? No, that's not RTR badge. That's our Genesis. And, hey, Sarah, I believe. Righteous. Double park cruise.
Sounds good. Sounds real good. Love the pop-up headlights.
And we're back. I already know it's our favorite RS. Second favorite WRX. Tyler still got it. Ooh.
That shit sound good. Don't let that motherfucker fool you.
So we are back. And he has spicy things done to cuts, and I don't know too much. I'm about to order one of these as soon as I get my car back. Oh, definitely. I was like, just stop at just that. That's all the way in. Now you can actually push it. It's good though. You actually have to respond, especially when you're driving. Because once they reworked everything, now you can feel, you can actually like, you can feel everything in the clutch pedal that you need to feel. I was gonna say, just stop. That shit is so fucking right. You don't hear nothing. What the fuck? Let's see. Sport. Do cops have those? No, it's these. Okay, thank God. Thank God. So, now see where we at. We at the very back. Honestly, the only parking left. We're about to see what gems are hidden back here. Got a Camaro, Follow back here. Another Eco Boost. Got two bikes over there. Swing around. That shit sounds good as fuck. This way. BMW, Subaru. Is that a Nismo? Is that your Nismo? That shit's nice as fuck. Bro, I want one of these bitches so fucking bad in high school. It took me a while to get it. Like, at first it was 35, then I'm like, nah, fuck the 350, I want 370. But now one of my friends wanted 370, so I'm like, nah, I'm just letting her have that. I'm just mod the Civic. I wanna know what I've done to that shit. Yeah! That's why I said that. BMWs, got no. Exactly. Oh, there's that catfish play race. I want another one that. Got another Camaro. Got another Z. BRZ, Subaru, Focus. Z, two Mustangs, catfish. Then we got Genesis, Miata, Terra, Z. I think that's me. Ooh. That's nice. The dim isn't nice. More Miatas. Another catfish. For the T-top. Yeah! I think it's good to see that, dude. But we got SCR right here. Another WRX. TC. Not completely. Oh, C70. There's some more stuff back here for you. Camaro over there. Mustang. G. I believe that's another Scion. Another G on the other side of the Mustang. BMW. Focus. Mustang Camaro. 350. And I'm not, no idea.
But, yeah! I knew that was a TC over there. That's where you parked at? I knew it. I fucking called it out.
That's a new banner.
Hell yeah. Ooh, let's go check that out.
That's Jaden, by the way.
What's up, Swaggy?
Jaden. You see the R8 McLaren and all that pulled up?
What?
Up front?
Yo, that shit's chopping like fuck. That shit sound good as hell, no cap. You said McLaren, right? I know exactly who the fuck that is. If he got a fucking McLaren, did he get a 720S or a 675 LT? That's the real question. What? We got a C8 over here. Oh, Alex.
What's up, man? You ready
Doing
for
pretty
that
good.
thing?
I'm so ready for it.
Should be in
Got
there,
the GT.
huh?
That's what I was. I read a newsletter and it said that they're supposed to be getting shipped out middle of September. So
Yeah.
That C8 is so nice. 500. Got a Speed 3 or Mazda 3 and another 5.0 behind it. Another 5.0 right there. Yeah, I need a 5.0.
I don't even know it is.
Brett's parked up here, right? Did he get a... Wait. No. Brett! You fucking love! I'm trying to figure it out for the past 3-4 hours just from the side. Like, this right here is all I seen, and I couldn't figure it out to help. Bro, this is sweet.
Yeah, it's nice.
When am I gonna get to ride in it?
Possibly, probably.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
So wait. You got 3 cars, or which one did
No,
you
I got
give
rid
up?
of the Viper.
Viper.
So I put the V10 in the back. It's no longer in the front, it's in the back now.
Valid. I was about to say, Tyler told me you got, he's... El Costo?
I started in Ford.
Yeah.
We weren't even going we were going the same speed, but
So this is a daily?
and
Right.
Yep.
I don't know if I can hear that or not. Hey, but fuck 12.
Don't worry, I brought...
Damn, that shit sounds good. Oh, does this say hurry up?
Wait.
5.0 BRZ. Marrow on the tire. Oh shit, it's cop. Oh. Yo! Hey man, tell him to pull it on next to him. Intrusive thoughts are winning. Man, this is about to be a bad idea. Watch. We're about to find out. It's already hot as fuck. Right there, bro.
I don't know what you were thinking.
Bro, I'm a little bit crazy. Ain't that right, YouTube? We a little crazy, just a little bit. Oh, I was just calling you. Hey, can I get my fucking charger out the car? Or a bag? Fucking love the RX-7. This one ain't got an Instagram on it, but this one do. Go ahead, follow. No cap? We got a cop here. Who the fuck called the cops?
No, she's telling him down the road.
Oh. Very well. I was like, is this too big of a meat to attempt to shut down? At least for one cop. Yeah. Ah, shit. Who fucked up? Oh, he's just going to Walmart. But it's Corvette, though. So, he about to give us a baby pool. Got a velocity just pulled in. Fuck yeah! Yo, in the truck? Oh, I was about to say, you didn't hear the dude yelling, ah, out the window?
Oh no!
Oh! They got pulled over. Damn, G. That shit bite. That sucks. But they is not playing with y'all asses tonight. Let's see what they talking about. Cause we legal to be here. Nah, we are. What's up, bro? It's been forever.
I know. That's fine. That wasn't what our complaint was for. They were standing in the road, not moving for traffic. Yeah, just make sure they get out of the road.
Oh, just standing in the road for traffic. Fuck 'em. Hey man, I ain't on cap. My boy got that car guy workout. See what it about. Hey man, no cap. Let me put this in the Civic. Yeah, let me put this in the Civic. Yeah, oh God, bro. Damn. Hey. Damn, bro. Hey, who taking one for the team? They rapping? Apparently somebody back here in the studio rapping. Hey man, better tell them what it is. Anything for the angle. Damn, bro. They need to take their black ass, or they need to take their pig asses on some ways. Pork chop, baby back, rib ass nigga.
Two on the left.
Wait, you leaving the donuts? Yo, they left the donuts. Fuck it. Hey, yo, no burnouts without permission. Get a lifetime ban. Fuck around and find out. Yeah, straight pipe. What he's in? Nice bike though. There you go. I want a backpack.
Hey guys, do some space.
out. Hit it.
What the fuck happened? Like, what happened? That shit threw me off. We don't know. Yeah, y'all won. They surprised too. Fucking America, baby.
Move out the way!
Hey, step back.
What the hell?
He let that shit cook. I ain't gonna lie. Bro would have had such a high score just going forward. Yeah.
I don't know what we bobbing to, but we bobbing. Y'all niggas like being hot, don't y'all?
It's supposed to get hot.
Yeah!
Hey, who wants to go?
Hey! 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 Hey, man! Y'all see what time it is?
Hey. Ayo, count twin. Let that shit sing. Damn. Don't little Reggie, man. Again, I'm gonna just let y'all hit a cam for a minute. The chop, yes. Yes. Shit is sick. I can't wait to ride in that, bro.
Bro, don't give me a fucking rock.
Oh, that's gay. They getting away. If he double back, I don't think he doubling back though. Y'all are tripling back. Drive safe, bro. See what that TC gonna do. Ain't nothing too much. Hold on, that shit turbo. Bro said it's bouncing ass. Y'all niggas biased as fuck. I would say. Yo, you got smoke coming from like the back tires. You good? Where the fuck is the shots at? I don't know why Twin ain't let his car sing for real. This car is a lot louder than that, and I promise you it is.
Don't go too hard.
Which one y'all taking? That blow valve sound good. On you. Damn, that shit sound good. Hey, Twin, drive safe. Don't hit nobody. That shit sound good.
job. Damn, that shit sound good. Send that bitch, twin. Speed. That shit sound good. Somebody fucked up. That bitch is turbocharged. I would've let that shit eat through this turn. I should have knew he was gonna double back. Did he just send it in the Escalade? Oh. That nigga got loose as fuck. That nigga got loose as hell. Send that shit. Oh yeah, about time for them goddamn full sends, baby. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. We wouldn't have made it to the Rev Battle if it wasn't for twin charger. I brought a portable charger, but I forgot the phone charger. It was yellow when he went through it. Oh yeah, let that bitch eat. Y'all got a direct track? Damn, this shit's not good. Oh shit! Damn! Damn! But they own somebody's ass!
Oh, that's what I left out right here.
Huh?
That's what I left out right now.
That's the FRS?
Yeah.
Fuck! Oh yeah, he got a 360 cam. He see us?